Hi YouTube friends, it's me again, and it's today was this procedure that I had to have done. I think it's called an endoscopy, where the doctor puts a tube that has a camera on it down my throat to see if he can find anything that might be wrong inside. This was performed by a gastro specialist, and I don't have any news. I'm still burping, as you can see. The procedure probably took about 30 minutes. I'm not sure. They sedated me, so I was talking and cracking jokes, and then the next minute I was in my la. But with that procedure, the doctor also did a biopsy. So that means he took some tissue from my stomach, and they're running tests on the tissue to see if they can find anything that may be wrong. At this point, everything looks normal. So that doesn't explain my burping yet. Again, but I have to have another visit with the doctor in about a week or two. And in the meantime, I've been put on an acid reflux medicine called Acetec. It's about 20 milligrams, and I only take it once a day. I've been taking it for the last 3 days now. I don't really see any change in my condition, but maybe it will work over time. So really, that's all I have for you. If you're having this problem, you probably should get an endoscopy, if I even said that right. They give you a little IV, they put the needle in your arm, and then they put the sedation medicine in the IV, and you're knocked out so you can't feel it. They spray a little spray in the back of your throat that numbs your throat so you won't gag. And after that, I don't really remember. I just remember waking up and still burping. So I just wanted to give you all an update after that procedure. I was hoping to have some news to what the problem is. But we will keep searching. And thank you all for your comments, trying to help me. I do appreciate them. I'm going to try the honey. That's something I have not yet tried. And I'm going to go and take a rest now. I'm supposed to be resting, actually. I'm not supposed to drive today since I work today. So, just kind of having a boring day in the house. But till next time, hopefully I'll have some more news, some better news, or some other thing that can help. Good night.